In 2019, I went through the process of moving home and have since found myself living in a flat that is about half the size of my previous property. Sacrifices have been made to accommodate these changes. One of these was to replace my reliable Ikea Ivar shelving unit with something smaller in size. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name of this product, but it is much lighter in weight than the Ivar products, which isn't such a bad thing when you live on the top floor of a block of flats. As with many IKEA items, this one goes together quite simply. Everything is pre-drilled and all the fixings are supplied. Where you position each shelf is entirely up to you and your preferences. I like to start by assembling the top and bottom shelves to create a four-sided structure that could almost stand on its own. Then I can measure the diagonals to ensure the unit is square before attaching the metal brace to hold its shape. Then it's just a case of deciding on where I want the intermediate shelves to sit and securing them with screws. Normally I go to the effort of applying either an oil, varnish or wax finish to a piece of furniture like this, but I was more interested in getting the unit into position and utilising the reduced living space I now have. My plan was to fit this into my bathroom cupboard and beneath a pair of existing shelves that are fixed to the wall. I hadn't measured the height correctly though and ended up hacking a few inches off the top of each leg section. I hope you found this useful and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Please also like, share and subscribe.